Salut, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci. Allez-vous bien? Allez-vous bien? Bon. Now we see Ilya in negative form. We learned affirmative form. In the previous class, you made Ilya into interrogative. Now we make Ilya into negative. How do you make negative? Again, it's simple. Write n, any, n, after the subject and pa after the verb. It becomes negative. So try this one. Listen carefully. So write n after the subject. Fine, written. Pa after the verb. A. Pa is also written. Now it becomes negative. Now n, e and y is treated to be a vowel. We have already told you. So e will go away and apostrophe is written. E is scored off and apostrophe is written. So it becomes ilniapa. Ilniapa means what? There is not, there are not. Ilya, there is, there are. Ilniapa, there is not, there are not. Yatil, is there or there? This is the interrogative form. This is the negative form. Now the question goes like this. Yatil means what? Is there a key on the bench? Is there a key on the bench? No. Ilniapa. There is not a key. Be careful. A key on the bench. Is there a key on the bench? No, there is not a key on the bench. Instead of telling that, you should say, there is not any key. D in this context takes the meaning of any. Any. Un is not advisable. Writing numbers after ilniapa. Writing numbers after ilniapa is not advisable. So you change this un or into the clay. Any key. There is not any key on the bag. Question is there a key on the bag? Answer is no. N-O-N, no. There is not any. Un changes into any. Be sure. Make sure you write the instead of un. Got it? There is not any key on the desk, on the bag. Next question. Yatil, is there or there some keys on the bag? Yatil dekle si hosak? No. Ilniapa, they also becomes the. No, there are not some keys on the bag. No. It is there are not any keys on the bag. Okay, there are not any keys on the bag. It becomes like this. DES also changes into DE. Make sure. Are there some keys under the bag? No, there are not any keys under the bag. Are there some keys in front of the bag? In front of the bag? No, there are not any keys in front of the bag. Are there some keys behind the bag? No, there are not any keys behind the bag. Are there yatil, dekle, dalasar inside in the bag? No, il n'y a pas. No, there are not the clay. The clay. Not they clay, the clay in the bag. In dans le sac. Understand? This is the interrogative form and this is how you should answer. Here, how many grammar you should remember? Ne pas, not. Any becomes an apostrophe because this pronunciation sake and also for vowels clashing, and number becomes the. Some also becomes the. De. De here takes the meaning of any. Understand? This is what you learn, revise. Actually, it's a revision. This is our lesson number is 39. This is again same lesson revision. Make it sure that you understand this one. Play. While doing this one, you can play 23rd lesson also for a better understanding. So we will meet with another grammar revision only in the next class. Au revoir, merci, thank you. Tell me, repeat. Au revoir, merci, merci.